the last section we're going to do, and then we're going to have a test, because 3.6 and 3.7 are actually like writing lines and stuff, slopes. So, I've already shown you this 3.5 is just like 3.3, where you're going to have a picture and you got to say whether or not they're parallel, and then you got to give the reason why. It's just now they're going to add on those two reasons that I showed you before. So there's 6 ways to prove lines are parallel. And again, when we take this test, it'll say, can you prove if the lines are parallel, and if so, why? If they are, you got to put which one of these 6 reasons. Corresponding angles are congruent, and you can abbreviate it like that. You know, you don't have to write the word congruent, you don't have to write the word are. 2, alternate interior angles are congruent. 3, alternate exterior are congruent. 4, same side interior are supplementary. And then 5 and 6, which we didn't have in the last lesson, but they'll be mixed in today, they're perpendicular to same line. So the picture that this would look like would be like this. It's 90 there, 90 there. So the reason why these two lines are parallel is because they're perpendicular to the same line. Now, whenever it's this reason right here, you can actually use any reason. Any one of these other would be true also, because corresponding are also congruent. If that's 90, so is that, so alternate interior are congruent. If that's 90, so is that, so alternate exterior are congruent. And same side add up to 180. So when you see this picture, any one of these 5 would be true. And then the 6th reason is like this one. They're parallel to same line. You'll have a picture like this with 3 lines, and they'll tell you that P is parallel to Q and Q is parallel to R, so that means P also has to be parallel to R. Okay, that makes sense? These 2 lines are parallel to the same line. Okay, you guys put your iPads away now. So in this picture, it tells us that the first post is parallel to the second, and the second is parallel to the third, and the third is parallel to the fourth. So they say, do you know that the first is parallel to the last? Yes. Yes. And the reason why is you would just say parallel to same line. Parallel to the same line, but you can just shorten it down. Okay? We don't need that. Here, what reason would make all these lines parallel to each other? Perpendicular to same line. They're all perpendicular to this line. But, like some of you are saying, you could use any reason. All the corresponding angles are congruent, all the alternate interior are congruent, all the exterior are congruent, all the same side interior are supplementary. So really, it's a short assignment. It's like the other one, it's just they're adding these 2 in there to those reasons.
Can you go through
The reasons?
Yes.
I'll put them on the board too for you.